Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of CS subject. In 7th session, we discussed about network security concepts. It deals with policies adopted by network administrator to protect network from unauthorized access and misuse of network resources. I hope all of you learned these all topics in an effective way. In this session, we will discuss about web services.
Now we will discuss about the terms included in web services. Introduction to web services. First one, WWW. It stands for World Wide Web and also known as web. It is a collection of website or web pages stored in web server and connected to devices through the internet. These websites may contain text, images, audio, sound, animation, etc. The WWW with internet allows retrieval and display of website to your device. WWW was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. All of you know about this WWW, World Wide Web. Then HTML, it is a markup language, stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is its usage? Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. That means we have to display the documents in a web browser. For that, we can use this markup language, that is hypertext markup language. It is generally assisted by other technologies like CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, etc. It is tag-based code where tags are predefined. In this HTML, the tags are predefined. Tags are the instruction how web page will appear on browsers. It is not case sensitive. HTML files are stored with the extension .htm or .html. .html extension. HTML files we can store with the .htm or .html extension. Few tags are example for this HTML tags. HTML. Within this opening and closing angle bracket. Opening and closing angle bracket, we can use this tags. HTML, title, img, etc. Sample tags for this HTML. The next one, XML, stands for Extensible Markup Language. Extensible Markup Language is a markup language that defines a set of rules for encoding documents in a format that is both human readable and machine readable. It allows us to exchange data between heterogeneous systems. XML stores information in a plain text format, so it is not blocked by any firewall. Tags are not predefined, that is, we can create our own tags. It is case sensitive. XML is case sensitive. What is the difference between HTML and XML? HTML, it focuses on presentation of data. That is how the data will appear on the web page. For that we can use this HTML. But in this XML, it focuses on structure of data, that is how data is stored. XML data can be presented on web page by using XSLT, XML Style Sheet Language Transformation. Then HTML tags are fixed, that is we cannot create our own tags. But XML tags are not fixed, we can create our own tags. HTML case insensitive. That means HTML tags are not case sensitive, but XML tags are case sensitive. HTML ordering of tag is immaterial. Here in this XML, ordering of tag, that is nesting of tag, must be in order, in correct order. That is the differences between HTML and XML. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol used to transfer all files and other data or resources from one computer to another on the World Wide Web. For that we can use this HTTP. That means there is a protocol Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Format of URL is http:// then that domain name or path of that particular page. Domain names. Communicating with computer on internet using IP address is practically impossible as it is very difficult to remember IP address of every computer or website. That means that is a number. So we can't remember that all IP addresses of every computer or website. At that time, we are using this domain names. System has been developed to assign names to IP address and maintains a database of these names corresponding to IP address. These names are referred to as domain names. Okay. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Each website has a unique address called URL. Example, http://www.cbse.nic.in. The basic format of URL is type, that is a protocol, then colon, then / address or path. Example, path of CBSE academics. This one is the path, this full. Then type of server or protocol is HTTP. Address of server is this one. This one is the address of server. Clear?